Good evening everyone and welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy recipe for coquito. Coquito is the Puerto Rican version of eggnog. So I'm going to show you exactly what the ingredients are that you need, how to prepare it. It's super simple and easy. First off, we need all of the milks. So we need a can of coconut milk right here. I like Goya, so we're going to use that. Then we need evaporated milk. So we have a can of evaporated milk. And then we also need a can of sweet condensed milk. We also need coconut cream, and the one that I know for sure it's hands down the best is Coco Lopez. It's crema de coco, cream of coconut. We will also need some ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, and vanilla pure extract. Try to use pure. Imitation gives it a little different taste. We will also be using the yolk of 1 egg. And last but not least, the star of the show, we need some white rum. So this is Palo Viejo from Puerto Rico. This is the one that's most commonly used. You can use Bacardi, you can use Don Q, you can use other brands, but this is the one that I feel gives it like an authentic taste. So right now we're going to mix all of the milks first into a blender. So we're gonna add the milks now. We're gonna add the evaporated milk first. Get all of that good stuff in there. Then we're gonna add the sweet condensed milk. It's very thick, so I have a spoon here just to help me get all of that out. Sometimes you have to go in there and just like scoop it out because it's so thick and sticky that it sticks to the bottom of the can. You want to make sure you get all of that in there. This is what gives it that really sweet factor. So you obviously don't need to put any sugar afterwards. Alright, so we got most of that out there. Alright. So, stir that in. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk. This also can be a little like textury, like thick. So that came out just nicely. Just a scoop of the last of that. And last but not least, the cream of coconut, which this is actually very, very thick. So we're definitely gonna need assistance of our spoon to get this baby out. Oh. Okay. There you go. Came out one little nice shot. Alright. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla pure extract into this. Just gonna make sure 1 tablespoon. Alright. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And again, you can do this to your tasting, to your liking. You can add more than that. But we're just gonna start it off with 1 teaspoon because nutmeg can be a little strong spice. You don't wanna obviously have that overpower the coquito flavor. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And again, to your liking, to your taste. If you want more, you want less, you can do it as you please. Then we're gonna add the egg yolk. We're gonna mix this up first. We're gonna blend it before we add the alcohol. So we're just gonna put this little top up here. And we're gonna blend. A little slow start, but you're gonna blend this for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna open that. That smells really good. And now we're gonna add the rum. So you can start off by adding a cup of rum, and then again to your liking. I do like my coquito a little strong, but we're gonna start off with 1 cup.
Are you gonna put a cup in there?
Yes.
It's not gonna overflow.
That might overflow.
You might want to separate it.
Okay, we'll separate it. Alright. So we're gonna separate this bad boy. We're gonna get a Tupperware to put it in. Alright. Just grab that.
Not to lose any of that goodness.
Nope, not losing any of that goodness. Just separating it to give you a chance to add the rum in there. Alright, now we're gonna add the rum. We're not gonna do all of it right now. We're just gonna do, that was 1/2 cup. Alright. I'll put this back on. We're gonna blend for another 1 minute. Cup so that we can try our coquito. Alright. Two like this. And we're gonna taste it. And this tastes like heaven. It needs a little more rum, but so far so good.
So you're not in heaven yet.
I'm close to getting to heaven. We're at 35,000 feet right now, approaching. And that's it. You basically, when you're done, make sure you put it in a glass bottle. Glass is better than plastic. The longer that it sits in the bottle, in the fridge, the better it's gonna taste. I've also added at the bottom, if you can see, some cinnamon sticks and anise star. I kind of boiled a little bit of water to soften it, but then I just took the water aside, put the cinnamon sticks and anise at the bottom just to give it, this gives it a little bit more of a flavor while it's like settling and sitting in the fridge. And that is all. This is your coquito ready for Thanksgiving, ready for Christmas. Wishing you all a Feliz Navidad.
Wepa!